Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can import multiple videos at once in CapCut, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you can see we are already landed in our CapCut platform, and this is the interface you will get. So if you want to import any video in here, you just need to go to the media sections. Once you come over here, then here you can actually find out this import option in the top toolbar. You just need to click this one. Once you click over here, now you just need to select your videos from that place. Once you select this one, you just need to click to the open, and as you can see, our multiple video project already imported in our CapCut easily. So in this way, you just need to select multiple items and then just click onto the done, and your video will be imported here perfectly. So this is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.